Hi, I'm Jacob with National Fleet Products, and today we're going to take a look at a Ford Transit medium roof, all-wheel drive with a loading ramp. Let's check it out. Now, as you might be able to see, this Ford Transit is equipped with a refrigerated interior package. It's meant for food transport and delivery, which will come in handy with this loading ramp. The loading ramp stores, taking up about 6 to 8 inches of space behind the rear doors. Now, this ramp is spring assisted and very easy to operate. Let me show you. Pretty neat, huh? Now, this ramp is 47 inches wide, 98 inches long, with a 1,500 pound capacity. It's very confident under load. Now, as I mentioned, it comes standard with a spring assist. Let me show you how easy it is to store. One-handed. Pretty neat, huh? I saved the best feature for last. It's the standard exterior swivel. This ramp swings out of the way, allowing for easy forklift loading access. As you can see, the full reefer package on display. It's ideal for heavy loads of refrigerated or frozen food. Let me stow this ramp again. I'll show you how easy it is to put away. Just like that, we're ready to go and make some deliveries. Thanks for watching.